Good morning, guys. My name is Trevor. Welcome back to the beach with Jessica and I here on the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. We're at Destin this time, which is actually Fort Walton. Destin's a little further to the east, but our journey of this vacation is coming to an end. So let's pick a spot on the beach, tripping on me, and go enjoy some water. Roll that intro.
Give up, God is here with you. Yeah, you are a child, nothing but love is true. Just gotta fix your view, keep your eyes on the prize. That's life everlasting, only through Jesus Christ. He came to die, and he came back to life. He's the reason why that we don't have to strive. Yes, he paid the price just for you and me. Then he broke all our chains and gave us victory. By his blood, we are victorious. Jesus, your love and kindness, it is so glorious. No, we don't deserve it, but you do it anyway. Here in your presence, Lord, I just want to stay. Don't know what to do. I put my hands to the sky, put my trust in you. When the darkness overwhelms me, your light helps me to see. Got me walking on the water on my way to victory. And you got me up this mountain when the path is slippery. God, I don't know how you do it, it is such a mystery. And you took away my broken past, deleted history like Listerine. You made me clean, you set me free. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so grateful for your love, so grateful for your grace. And
this guy knows how to ride.
Run this race, I give you praise, you never cease to amaze. You're the Alpha, the Omega, and the Ancient of Days.
Mama is next. Very faintly, you guys can see a rainbow start here, all the way up, and then it drops right over in there. Of course, it's probably hard or not even visible totally on the camera, but I got a cool picture of it where it is super vibrant. These waves are massive out here, though. Look how clear the water is. You can see the fish just swimming in here. So cool. Just push you around. Yeah, look at that. I wonder if there's any fish in here. Oh, here we go. We need a board. Imagine if you had a board. We had a board. So way back there, which is like Pensacola area. I'm pretty sure that's Pensacola area. It is raining on the beach, so we may actually get hit with some rain out here as well. And they're changing the flag. He took down the yellow. I don't know what he's putting out now. But this is so cool. Woo, you ready? So much fun. Ugh. Oh, it's lightning now. Behind us is lightning. Oh, they just took it down. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. We're supposed to be ready for battle. Look at that. That guy just caught a fish. He's carrying it off. He just dove and got him one. Let's see if we can get another one. That was cool. They're out there doing the same thing. They're gonna get some. That's our Florida vacation right there. But I spy a mom and a dad Jeep right there, Miss Dorothy, sitting fine and pretty right up here. So we're gonna get loaded. Oh, look at that. Whew. Dang, that's a good looking Jeep right there. I missed it. I did not enjoy that Kia. No way.
Watch the sunrise in the sunset, la la la. Watch the sunrise in the sunset, ooh. Watch the sunrise in the sunset, la la.